think this is the second, either the first or second Speed Tribe sticker that I ever put on one of my own cars. And it's going. Toasty. At least it was easy. At least there's literally like no adhesive there anymore. One of the last remaining OG Speed Tribe stickers on a car. There's a couple more out there. I know Colby has one, and there's one on the MR too, but this is like original. Let's replace with this one now. So it's the last car that I have that doesn't have it on here. Even the 944 has it on here actually. Look at this. Yeah. Update. I tried cleaning it up. Most of it just ended up falling on the ground. But let me tell you, I know a lot of you have taken those stickers off your cars before. Dude, the adhesive stinks. It smells like freaking trash, dude. Let me go ahead and spray some water on there. Pro tip: when putting stickers on, doesn't matter if it's a die cut or a print or whatever. Always use water. Don't use glass cleaner, because glass cleaner has little particles in it that can lift up the old sticker. I guess there is a little bit of adhesive left in there. There's also an old sticker, but I mean, it wasn't as bad as that one. All these stickers on the Celica are freaking old, but they all mean something. So I'm trying not to take as many as I can off, but I mean, most of them are just, most of them are just too far gone. This one here, this is the only one that's really lasted, and I'm proud because that is a, I don't want to say historic, but I guess it's a historic sticker, at least for anyone who's in the kind of 90s revival, Japanese revival scene back in like 2016, 2019. Looks like there's a little bit of stuff left in there. I'm trying to get out, but I don't think I'm gonna. It's like, I don't know if that's burned into the glass or not, but if I spray, you can see there's, it's kind of funny. I think it might be burned into the glass, so I don't think there's much we can do about that, but I'm just making space for the new one. So yeah, I'll get back to you here in a second. All right, so I got a light here to see if it was really burned to the glass, and I mean, you don't really see with the light, even with my eyes, not just the camera. You really can't see it, but as soon as you spray water on it, I think it really is just etched into the glass because it's in there for so long. So I mean, I've tried wiping it, I tried putting some glue on it, and it's not going away. So because if I wipe it away, I mean, it's gone. But yeah, I'm gonna put this other one on. Keep you guys posted. Alright, so I got the sticker on here, peeling it off. Anyone who's done this before knows how much of a pain this is, especially with all these tiny little letters. Patience is the key with these stickers. You really got to be patient with all this, so I'll put this on and I'll show you the result. Alright, well, here's the final result. Pretty easy this time. Biggest issue was doing the freaking applicator like usual. I don't know if it's a little close to this, but you know, oh well. This is a much bigger improvement compared to the other one that we had, and I think it really encapsulates more what the flower means, because I think a lot of people see the flower and they're just like, oh, okay, well, that's their logo. But in Japanese culture, if you're familiar with these, you'll know that the Sakura flower represents renewal and beauty and life and death, because the flower's lifespan is so short. It's 2 weeks and the flower is perished, you know. So it's a reminder that while life is very short, you know, you've got to make do with what you can, have fun, enjoy your passions, your memories with your friends, and that's exactly what we stand for. So that when I was coming up with the name, I was always like very hesitant. I was like, Sakura, you know, everyone knows what that is. It's a very generic Japanese term, but this is a flower that means more, and that's why it's pink as well, you know. The Sakura flower, it's not orange, it's not blue, it's not yellow, it's not black, you know. The Sakura flower is pink. traditionally, you know, that's how it is, and that's what that flower stands for and what it means and what that color means along with that flower, you know. So whenever someone kind of asks me, no offense, I know a couple of you guys watching have asked me like, hey, why don't you make something that matches my car better? And I'm sorry, but no. No, because that is what that means, and that's why I'm so grateful that there's so many people that allow this pink sticker to be on their car, even if it doesn't match their car, you know. It really means a lot to me that other people stand for what this flower means. You know, maybe to some people, maybe to some of you guys, it's just a flower, but I mean, that is now on the Celica, that is now on the 944, it is now on the Civic, it is on the MRS, it is on the Corolla, and of course, it's on the OG. This is not just a flower with some ugly color. This is something that stands for beauty, that stands for life and death, and it is something that I am proud of, and I am very happy that other people are willing to have on their car. I don't think I've ever explained this to anyone, but that is what that means. It also stands for, it represents the samurai, which also had, you know, there were very few of them and there are very few of us. And, you know, again, life is short, especially for a warrior like that. So again, it stands for that meaning of life, to find that meaning of life, and to really enjoy yourself while it is here, because it's not here for very long. So yeah, sorry, I kind of went on a ramble, but it's kind of why I wanted to make this video and show the process of putting this on my second favorite, I guess you could say. I try to like them all equally, but some of them give me more problems. Ironically, this is the one that gives me the most problems, but that's it's the last one to have it on there. I think it really deserves it. So thank you guys. For anyone that has ever put this sticker on their car and shown it out proudly that you are a part of us and a part of this club and a part of this family, thank you.